AI slop, you've probably heard of the term. It's a lot of these AI generated videos that are all over the internet, TikTok mainly, and sometimes on Instagram. They say that AI generated slop is slowly killing the internet. But is it possible to make money with it? Well, that's why nobody is trying to stop it. It is possible to make money with this, but it is going to Meta and it is going to China. Now, don't get me wrong, you could still get some money from it, but this is going to be an honest review. So I'm going to tell you what it is exactly and, well, what it takes. First of all, when you have a look at some of these, all right? So this is on Instagram. This is an iPhone, which is made from human skin. You've heard that right. They make the iPhones with the skin. And of course, this is just AI imagination, but just have a look at how gross it is. Can't watch it anymore, right? So why this exists? Well, it exists because it grabs attention, right? It keeps the viewers for long enough so they can just say, what the hell is going on? Or they will just put a comment there saying, what the hell is going on? Or they will just send it to a friend saying the exact same thing. But truly, what the hell is going on? Well, those shares, those comments, those seconds of watch time, they're all signaling to the algorithm that it's good content. And Facebook, Meta, Instagram, TikTok, they don't care if your brain is going to be dead. They care about the profits. They care about keeping people on the platform. They come in for every second of your attention, so be it. And there's a lot more like these kind of images or things that you can find online, such as this, or you know, there's a lot of dumb things, and you can potentially make money from it, but just think of this. If you are one of these people that make this kind of content, just imagine how many more people are doing the exact same thing. And because this can be mass-produced, anybody can just put the prompt, maybe even just copy and paste the prompt, the same one, and make a bunch of these videos. Then it's just gonna be like you making 10 or 20 of these per day and posting on your TikTok channel. And because there's gonna be too much competition, well, the split for that money is just not gonna be enough. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that the dollar is not worth the same in the US as it is in the rest of the world. So maybe this will work out for you if you, I don't know, live somewhere where that kind of profit is going to be good for you. There's even calculators here. Just Google for something like this. So for example, if you've got, I don't know, let's just say 100 videos, 95, let's just say, and let's say you get 100 likes on each one of these. So 95, 100 likes, then total followers. Let's go with, I don't know, maybe you managed to get 2,000 followers. That's going to be $5 to $8 per post. Now, TikTok is looking for the engagement rate up to a certain number, because if you've got 200 followers with the engagement rate like this and the same number of likes and videos, there's going to be more. But of course, then again, if you jump to 20, it's going to increase. But as I've told you, there's many people out there, and 20,000 followers for you to get this many likes, this many videos to put out, I think it's not going to be worth it, right? Maybe it's going to be better to, deal with YouTube, longer form content. And you can, of course, watch some of these. You can go and see what they consist of. But some of these are just like, okay, wow, look what AI can do, right? So people maybe stopped watching those. Now they're just going for the crazy and gross stuff, like, horrible stuff. I've seen some horrible things, honestly. I wish I could erase this from my mind. And if you're going to work with this, if you're going to make this kind of content every day, you will have to watch it, right? So, you're exposing yourself to some really, really bad things if you want to work with this like 24/7. And this is what it takes. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, it takes showing up. It takes a lot of dedication, and it needs your presence all the time. So if you're just exposing yourself to that kind of content all the time, whole day, whole week, for months, because it's not going to be success overnight, whatever you do. So if you expose yourself for months, well, I don't even have to go further, right? It's going to be bad for you, for your brain, for people around you, and the money is not going to be worth it, right? That's what TikTok wants. That's what Instagram wants. They will make money on it, on you, on people's attention, and you are not going to get good enough split, I think. You're just not getting what you deserve. Now just give me a 1 minute for my sponsor. Quick shout out to this video's sponsor, Proxy for You, the proxy provider trusted by pros worldwide. Featured on Yahoo, Benzinga, and Business Insider, Proxy for You is changing the proxy game with performance and transparency that's hard to beat. They offer residential, mobile, and data center proxies in more than 195 countries. It's perfect for scraping, automation, and of course, stealth browsing. No expiry dates, no monthly fees, no limitations. Just pure pay-as-you-go freedom. It's got 4.8 on Reviews.io and 4.6 on Trustpilot. People trust Proxy for You because it works. Click the link down there in the description and upgrade your workflow with Proxy for You today. Get started completely for free, no credit card needed. Now, if you still want to do it, I have got a tool for you that you can try to make, and maybe you can get some new ideas. Maybe you don't want to go with AI Slop. Maybe you can just go with kids' cartoons, with something that you have a passion for, or something that interests you, whatever. And the tool is called Revid.ai. Maybe I can just show it to you like this. I'm not affiliating with it. You can just Google for it, or just type this in your browser, Revid.ai. This is how it's going to look like. And these are the videos it can make, right? So I'm going to log in real quick to show you what else can you make with this. So let's just go to my dashboard here. So these are my videos that I've made recently. Now, this is my favorite one because it allows you to put the music only, and then it'll make the video on top of that music. So we'll take music as a cue. Let me just show you. If you click on create new video here, there's a lot of these tools. So script to video, there's music to video, audio, video to video, article to video, your usual prompt. There's many more of these tools, but let me just show you what this tool can do. Maybe I can just preview this favorite one. Yeah.
Lion roars, paws hit the floor. The rabbit hops, can't take no more. Twist and turn, spin around. Jungle beats, they shake the ground. Dance, dance, the animals prance. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Shake, shake, the jungle waits. Lion, rabbit, and the snake.
So I really like this one, and I think that's gonna be really good for, kids channels, maybe some longer songs. And what it takes to make this, well, you just make a song with Suno, and then you just go to this tool and you input the song. Now, you don't have to create videos because they cost more credits. You will have to pay for this too, of course, for the credits. It's not expensive though, but maybe you can just go with something like this.
Once upon a time, a curious little boy named Leo dreamed of grand adventures beyond his quiet room.
So these are going to be moving pictures. Still AI, but they're going to be moving pictures. Or you can just take moving pictures with effects.
Your metabolism burns calories even while you sleep, and most people are wasting.
So that's it. Or maybe a style like this one.
Welcome to Oddville, where every day is an adventure. Today we follow Arthur.
So it's something like that. All right, Revid.ai, click on create new video, script to video. You can even generate scripts with this one. And down there, it's important to choose whether you want AI video, so the images, whether you want them moved or not, or moving AI images like this, or stock videos, or your own media, whatever. And here you choose a style. There's many styles, right? Fantasy, anime, realism, cartoon, there's a lot of these things. And here you will see the output example. So yeah, it's a pretty good tool, but please consider making something that is a passion of yours. Maybe some narration, maybe some stories for kids, whatever, and maybe use YouTube instead of TikTok because, well, I just spent like maybe 8-9 minutes talking about it, why it's not good. So yeah, whatever you choose, wish you good luck, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one.